The loneliness night alone, the search for strength to carry on. My every hope had seemed to die. My eyes had no more tears to cry. Then like the sun shone from up above, you surrounded me with your endless love. And all the things I couldn't see are now so clear to me. You are my everything. Nothing your love would bring. My life is yours alone. The only love I ever known. Your spirit pulls me through when nothing else will do. Every night a prayer, buried knees, that you will always be my everything. Oh, you're the breathing life in me, the only one that sets me free. And you have made my soul complete for all time.